So, andito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Greenfield Estates in Calamba City, Laguna. Meron tayong bagong foreclosed vacant lot. This is around 19 million 476 square meters total lot area. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. This is for bidding. So if you are interested to make a bid or offer, please message us directly. So ito po yung property. Ayan. Ayan po siya. Ang frontage po nito is nasa 15 meters. Around 15 meters. And yung depth niya is nasa around 30 meters. Sunrise po ang orientation nito. So ayan po yung property. Vacant lot po siya. This is under Ayala Premier. So high-end subdivision po to ng Ayala. So may katabi na siyang bahay or meron siyang katabi yung bahay. And then ayan po yung surrounding niya. Ayan. Tapat niya. Medyo siya, downhill. Okay? So yung dulo niya kapantay lang din ng katabi niyang bahay na yan. Okay? So if interesado po tayo dito na mag-bid or mag-offer, please message us directly. So ayan po yung property. Ayan. So lumalabas po siya 40,000 per square meter. So again, if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly.